Hello everyone, this is Kim Bradley with Magnet Forensics. Today we will be using the power of Axiom Cyber to filter, sort, and preview indexed remote collection targets. In our example today, we will be using an AWS EC2 instance running in the northeastern part of the US to remotely connect to our physical machine located in the southwestern part of the US. We've previously shown how to establish and deploy an agent to prepare for such connectivity, so we will start here prior to connecting. We just simply need to check the box that says we want to download details about the file system structure and metadata about the files and folders. This will allow us to search and filter for files and folders by file name and use date filtering. After selecting the box to enable the feature, we will click on Connect Agent. You'll get a visual indication that it's attempting to connect, then it's downloading the file system structure and metadata. If we click on Files and Drives while it's downloading, we can still manually browse, but we will need to wait for indexing to complete in order to search and filter. Just stepping back, when indexing is complete, it will no longer say it's downloading. So we'll select Files and Drives, and then Files and Folders. And because the indexing is finished, we now have the ability to search on the machine for date ranges or metadata fields, such as file names or extensions. So first we will search for OST files, email containers. We can further filter on the file extension column, just for OST. And by selecting the files and then click Next, the download will begin. Another scenario. You may be looking for a particular file extension. This may be helpful if you have some custom applications in your organization or files saved with a file extension that are specific to a type of business or investigation. We can clear our filter. If we search for a PEM file, a file used for encryption when, for example, an RDP session is used, we may need to do some additional filtering to find the file we need. So we can add a date range to narrow down our findings. Now our results include the files that have a modified accessed or created date in the date range that's specified. And again, just by selecting the file and click Next, the file will begin to download. If you decide that file isn't needed, you can click on the trash can. So if we go back to our files and folders, we can do additional searches or browse, keeping in mind that after a folder within the navigation has been selected, any searching will be conducted for that folder and its subfolders. To broaden the search, simply click higher in the folder structure. This is very similar to searching in Axiom Examine within the File System Explorer. As you've seen, just by selecting one additional checkbox prior to connecting, we have an index that allows for searching and filtering on a remote target. Thanks for watching.